244 and 79. This is speed. 244 and 79. We have put the pylon over on the side as close as we could to where the front of the sled was. Now,